Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Arun Jayal. I am a mutual fund distributor based in Rishikesh, and today is 23rd of March 2026, and as we speak the tensions are still ongoing in West Asia, and I don't know about the technicalities, and I would not recommend anybody to go into those technicalities uh, of news, because news will do no good for you. Everybody has become a military expert now in India, and people want to speculate how long this crisis will go, and whether the Strait of Hormuz. Nobody knew about the Strait of Hormuz. Now everybody is talking about that, like they are the expert of energy, like they are the expert of politics and war. So this is what how herd behave, and you should not behave in this manner. So today I want to discuss that fear of war is the biggest mistake. How the fear of war is the biggest mistake. I'll try to elaborate that. First of all, as I said, that everybody is now trying to be a expert of war, and everybody wants to have an opinion about that. But as an investor, I would say that you should pay zero heed to these things. You should not look at those things. You should look for your goals. You should look, how can I save more, how can I invest more, and it will do wonders for you. So you have to understand that fear is logical, but it's misleading. The fear that we are seeing today, the markets are down by 2.5% today, is it seems logical on surface, but it's misleading. As as things have improved, after every crisis things improve, you have to keep that in mind, and businesses adopt, and situations adopt, and life goes on. You have to understand that what actually happens during these global tensions. And during these scenarios, markets fall, short-term volatility is huge, and news are negative, but you have to understand that this is just a temporary phase, and news channels and YouTubers have to run their show, and they tell you whatever is in demand, and they want to create videos, they want to create panic, they want to uh, make you a judgmental error. You should not do that. Uh, Real mistakes investors make in such scenario, when people make mistake is that they stop sets, they redeem their investments forgetting about their goal, and they try to sit on cash. This is something you should avoid. I always say this to my clients: never ever do that. And what smart investors do in such scenario is that they invest more lump sums if they have a longer term horizon. They continue their sit and see correction as an opportunity. As I always say, market always goes up, and it will go from here as well. And the data also shows that the countries that are not involved in war, their markets may get affected for 1 or 2 years, but after that they goes up. In Ukraine, Russia crisis, and the Germany, France, and other European countries faced energy prices high, but they adopted with it. So everybody adopts the situation. And what you have to do is that you have to do a mindset shift. What I mean by that is that you have to understand that you are not investing for 3 months, 6 months, or for next year. You are investing for a goal. The goal is 15, 20, 30 years from here. The goal is to become financially free. The goal is to send your children to US for higher studies. The goal is to build a house for your family. And your goal is not aligned with these things. Your goal should not be, you should not think about